The Common Core Standards, state standards, was an initiative that also was launched under the Obama administration. And it's basically a set of learning standards for K through 12 students to improve high school graduation rates and test scores, and specifically improvement in the English language arts and mathematics subjects. So those standards for ELA were to emphasize comprehension of texts, reading, writing, speaking skills, and increased content knowledge through nonfiction literature. And the math standards included teaching fewer but more concentrated topics, greater coherence across topics, and more rigor through conceptual understanding, mathematical skill, fluency, and application. The government could not force states to adopt these. It was, and any decisions made around Common Core were ultimately up to that state's decision makers, but 43 states, as of June 2014, had adopted and implemented Common Core standards.